Hello, beautiful viewers. We are so glad to have you guys back on this channel, just like we always do. And on today's video, we are live at Amawbia-Ekwulobia Road, that is under expansion and dualization by the Anambra State government, and we are talking about the Soludo's administration. And just as you can see, this is where this construction started proper. Yes, this is the point where the construction properly started, and this is popularly known as the Amawbia roundabout area. So from here, we are going to take you down up to Nanka, where it ended completely, and we are going to show you the appealing progress that have been recorded so far on this construction of the road dualization. Guys, it is so interesting and so appealing, just like I've said before now, to see what is going on along this road. And I must tell you the way it is. The contractors that are handling this project, and we are talking about the GELD construction company. Yes, these guys are truly doing an exceptional work on ground, and they really need to be recommended for what they have done so far. Yes, even though there is still a lot more to be done, but they have actually gotten to a very impressive point of this road dualization and expansion. So you can see from all the way from the first point where this project started, there has been truly a major shift towards progress. And we'll go through this road and you will see what we actually saw on ground. Yes, all of these areas have been touched from one point to another. They have really received serious attention from these guys. All the same, let's not forget to also thank the Anambra State government, and we are talking about the Soludo's administration for the numerous transformational works they have been doing in Anambra State of recent. To be sincere with you guys, the Soludo's administration have transformed Anambra State within a very short while from what it used to be to a better picture, giving it a model and a standard. What we are talking about is that this administration has put in Anambra State first, and that is a very good one coming from this administration. And just like I've always told you guys before now, this state, talking about Anambra State in particular, have not had it the way it is having it now, to be sincere with you. Also, if you look around these areas, you will notice that this particular spot where we are now is a very troubling point along this road. This particular area is like a swamp area. Yes, this particular area is like a swamp area. You could imagine that even in the dry season, there is still water along this place. So it's a swamp area. So these guys will really have to do a very professional work along this place to see that they really get this construction accurately. That's talking about this particular spot where we are right now. Yes, because this particular place have been walked several times. Yes, I could remember more than 10 times that I've walked on this particular spot, and once they finish working or fixing that particular axis, within a very short time, I'm talking about a month, 2 months, it will go bad again. I don't really know what is wrong with that particular place, but the main thing remains that that particular spot needs serious attention. It needs to be given a special attention so as to really get that place done without it getting dilapidated in a very, very short while. So just in case you are joining us, we are still live at the Amawbia-Ekwulobia road that is under expansion and dualization by the Anambra State government. And so far, so good. You can see what has been done on this road. Don't worry, if you notice from here that we are now, they have done asphalt on both lanes. It's not like it's just one lane. They have done asphalt on both lanes. And we are going to drive on this already asphalted road from here up till Agolo town. They have done asphalt. This is Nibo, don't forget, okay? Yes, they have done asphalt from here up till Agolo town. So relax, sit back and relax and enjoy this ride with us, because it's a very smooth ride and a very beautiful one at the same time. I really enjoyed the trip on this road, and I can't wait for this construction to really get completed, so that driving from Amawbia to Ekwulobia will just be a stone throw on a very peaceful road, and it's going to be a ride like no other one. So as I've said earlier on before now, the state government is really transforming the state massively within a very, very short while. And this is what we have been praying for before now. Just in case this is your first time of coming across this channel, this is BlessingGodwinTV, and I indulge you to subscribe to this channel, comment, share, and don't forget to give this video a massive, massive thumbs up. Yes, we are live at this road expansion and dualization that is going on from Amawbia to Agolo to Nanka up till Ekwulobia town. So we are going to drive through all of this town that I mentioned now, so that you will see for yourself first-handedly what has been achieved so far on this construction. So over here we are already at Nise before now, yes, and we can still see that they have done asphalt on both lanes. It's not just this lane we are right now. They have done this asphalt on both of the lanes, and it's still continuing. They are really progressing massively on this construction, and hopefully before the rainy season comes in proper, I really hope and I believe that they would achieve a very serious milestone on this construction site. So relax with us, relax and sit back, and let's drive through this beautiful road just like we are doing already, so that we will show you how beautiful this road is already looking. Seriously, this administration is not here to joke. They are working massively. Yes, notwithstanding, they are really, really working tirelessly to see that most of these projects that work has commenced on them, that they are progressing massively. So guys, don't worry, we'll still take you towards other parts of the state. There are massive work going on around the state at the moment, and that is why most of the times I say that Anambra is a construction site. Sometimes when I say those things, some people don't understand what I mean when I say that Anambra as a state is a construction site. But don't worry, you will still get to understand better by the time we take you around the state, so that you would see various projects that are still going on, and even the ones that have been completed already. There are a lot of projects that have been completed in Anambra State at the moment, and we are talking about road projects, a lot of them. a lot of them, and we'll keep bringing you such updates on this channel back to back, just like we always do. So just in case you have not subscribed, do well to subscribe so that you get yourself updated with what is happening in Anambra State and beyond Anambra State. Yes, there are a lot going on in this region at the moment. We are talking about a lot of projects are going on in this region at the moment, and we won't skip to bring you such updates as fast as possible as we can on this channel. So subscribe and get updated. All right, right now we are already approaching into Agolo town, and don't forget, I have told you that this road has been asphalted on both lanes. It's not a joke, and I hope you are already seeing it for yourself. All the way from the Nibo axis up till Agolo, we are still running on an asphalted road, a very smooth road. Yes, and by the time this construction gets completed properly, yes, we would have street lights all the way on these roads, and then they'll have to sweep the roads and keep it clean. Yes, the sounds you are seeing now is because constructions are still going on this road. So by the time the constructions are fully completed, yes, all of these sounds you are seeing would not be seen on the roads. They will be swept properly, removed, and then we would have a very clean road on ground. So we are still in Agolo town, and we are approaching the Ezinano axis of Agolo. By our left, you can see the NAFTAC office that we just passed, okay, and we are still progressing. Yes, so the next junction we are going to meet here is the Ezinano junction in Agolo town, and from there we are going to head towards the Agolo Lake areas. From the Agolo Lake areas, we will head towards the Wango junction areas. From the Wango junction, we will head towards the Nanka axis of this road construction. You need to sit back and make sure you watch this video till the end, because there are lots of progress that have been recorded on this road. I mean, work is massively going on this road, and you don't need to miss out on these projects, like seeing what is going on. So sit back and relax and make sure you watch this video till the end so that you will get fully updated on what is going on. So this is the Agolo Lake area. So you can see the bridge from here, and initially I thought they are going to expand the bridge. When they were coming down, I thought that the bridge would be expanded, but from what I noticed, with what they have done there, you can see the curve that we noticed when we were coming down. Yes, I noticed that they were not going to expand this bridge. So this bridge is going to remain the way it is. Yes, even though it's a one-way bridge. So when you come from the Dualized Road up to this the Agolo Lake Bridge, you will meet the one-way bridge, and then when you drive past the bridge, you will now continue seeing the Dualized road. So you can see this is the second phase of the bridge, and then after this second phase, you will now move. You will see where the road expansion continues. So you can see that from here now, the road expansion has continued again. Yes, so from here would be the Dualized Road again, and it will continue like this up till the Ekwulobia access. So make sure you watch this video to the end so that you would get yourself updated. Thank you and remain blessed.